JW Glendinning is a leading supplier of quarry and concrete products in Devon and Cornwall. They've recently added the Totalkare hydraulic 2-post lift to their workshop, helping them streamline their vehicle maintenance processes, allowing more time to deliver value to their customers. Totalkare's 2-post lift lifts from the chassis of the vehicle, allowing access to not only the underside of the vehicle, but also the wheel and associated operations. This eliminates the need for axle stands and enables a more efficient and productive process. Perfect for companies with a large fleet of vehicles, the Totalkare 2-post lift has a high load-bearing capacity and is specifically designed for vehicles with long wheelbases, such as a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or Volkswagon Crafter van. Since installing the Totalkare 2-post lift, they've been able to reduce the time spent maintaining the safety and efficiency of their fleet significantly, meaning they can invest more in the things that matter to customers, suppliers and staff.